Mnumzana ungazithi igama lokuthi umbani usitshele la ngomaphepha.
Okay, mina igama nguEmmet Ndlovu. I've known uMaphepha well for a long time, and lapho engiqala ukuthi ngazana like khona closely is when he rejoined Highlanders as a manager. Then I was the team medic.
Team medic ubachazela abalaleli bazwisise konke ukuthi ohamba njani.
Yes, mina ngangingu-team medic kusukela ngo-1991. So yena esephenduka esezoba ngumanager, izinto zazi dry, kwakomile, sasihamba silala sivuka, sometimes kube nzima lokuthi siye fulfill ama games, but ngokubuya kwakhe things turned around. I believe with this man whatever he touched it turned gold. Kwayenzeka ukuthi esebuyile ngizakhumbula ukuthi kwaba le stretch ese4 championships on the road. Sithatha vele sasibulala anything along the way. He's been a charismatic leader, a larger than life character, a unifier, ebambanisa abantu anzange ngimbone la ngisho la kolilanga ukuzonda kwakhe angikwazi. He's been so helpful, uncedise ama players, ama supporters, everybody. Something to do with Maphepha will testify ukuthi this man had a certain gift engelayo abaningi. Wherever he was, you could see and feel abantu bejabulile bethokozile. I've had so many personal interactions with him. He assisted me personally on a lot of circumstances and situations. Even on the death of my own parents, he was there for me. I am pained. But all I can say is he's been a fighter. He's been a strong character. He went through a lot. He fought, he resisted, and today, as far as I'm concerned, let his legacy fight on, live on. Ama heroes. They never completely move away from us. Their spirit remains with us. Their legacy remains with us. Siyabonga lokho sokwenzakele singakuthini inkosi liphile inkosi ithathile. It is a season. Siyabonga.